Tackle your toughest cleaning tasks and spray your way to a greener, cleaner yard and home with the Pressure Joe SPX3001 electric pressure washer from Sun Joe. Just squeeze Pressure Joe's trigger and blast your way through dirt, debris, mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it. You aim it. Grime is gone. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers up to 2,030 pounds per square inch to demolish every bit of dirt. Pump up to 1.76 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles for intense jet to gentle spray. Pressure Joe easily washes away stubborn gunk and grime. You name it, you aim it. Grime is gone. Clean efficiently with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Fill the onboard detergent tank to get even more dirt-blasting power. From porch to patio, siding, sidewalks, wooden decks, docks, lawn furniture, cars, trucks. Pressure Joe cleans them all. Equipped with a built-in hose reel, Pressure Joe makes it easy to wind its 20-foot hose for faster cleanup and neater storage. At only 32 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels effortlessly from one dirty job to the next. You name it. You aim it. Grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the power, performance, and versatility you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
The AR383 pressure washer is a top seller on Amazon, and for good reason. 1900 PSI at 1.5 gallons per minute means the 383 can blast through some of your toughest home cleaning projects. Safe, convenient, quiet electric power with AR's total stop system means the motor turns off when you release the trigger. Onboard attachments include a fully adjustable spray wand, from an intense 0-degree stream to a wide spray pattern with a simple twist. The included turbo nozzle provides maximum force in a spinning 0-degree spray to quickly break down some of the toughest caked-on dirt and grime in half the time. Tough stains? Fill the detergent bottle, twist on, and pull the trigger to spray on your favorite cleaning solution. Wrap it up with onboard hose storage, and easy roll wheels get you to your next project or garage. With a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, you can be confident you made the right choice. The AR383 Blue Clean Power.
AR Blue Clean's new S line of electric power washers offers unmatched durability, power, and ease of use. From compact and portable to a fully integrated hose, professional wand, and all the accessories. Quality features that get the job done faster. Convenient electric power means no gas, excessive noise, and virtually maintenance-free. With solid built-in components, cleanup is a breeze. AR Blue Clean's new S-Line has the right power washer for your demanding cleaning projects.
Get set to do your dirty work. Get rid of gunked-on grease and grime with a blast of water pressure from the Pressure Joe SPX1000 electric pressure washer. Get assembled quick and easy. Snap on the wheels. Screw on the handle. Click in this. Slide on that. Lock in your gun. Connect this to that and that to this. Pressure washer meet garden hose. Now plug it in, squeeze the trigger, and blast away. Get clean fast with 1400 watts of power. Feel the force of 1450 pounds per square inch. Wash away every inch of dirt. Get 1.45 gallons of water flow delivered every minute. Just spray and say hoo-ah! Get more reach with a 33-inch extension wand. Reach high, reach low. Pump it up with a built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Control your spray from intense jet to gentle spray so you can clean anything. Pick it up and go. It's small, but it's your ultimate dirt fighter. Get the gunk off your siding, wooden decks, patio furniture, cars, trucks, SUVs, you name it. It'll clean it. And presto, your dirty project just got done. Get the tools that do the doing. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.